Yeah, it's the 16th of April 2022. We have Valjakonkatu 6 tekis here in Leinola, close to Leinola in Tampere, Finland. There's also a sticky city here we can go to later. And it was built in 2005, probably early 2005. We saw it on the glass.
Yeah.
So the number is 1995B, but it's not 1995.
Yeah.
7. No, there's no 7th floor here.
Yeah.
The 8th floor is the tallest one. It's going to be inspected in 2023, the next year. There's no star button or star.
Yeah.
It is the main floor.
Yeah.
And see the logo by the door rail?
Yeah. Kaikki vain mentiin Kony.
Yeah. It's interesting that they're maintained by Kony here in this area.
Yeah. Fortunately.
But that's great. That's of course much better.
Yeah.
But it's still interesting that Kony has not replaced them yet or anything.
Yeah.
But that's probably due to the good maintenance, maybe.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's